Good morning friends. Today we are going to study identification test for boric acid. The aim of our practical is to perform and report identification test on given sample of boric acid as per Indian Pharmacopoeia. Boric acid has a chemical formula of H3BO3 and a molecular weight of 61.83 gram per mole. Boric acid is a crystalline powder, shiny and has a shiny place and is soapy to touch. It is a white or colorless powder. It is odorless. Solubility. Boric acid is soluble in water and in ethanol, while it is freely soluble in boiling water and in boiling ethanol, as well as it is soluble in glycerin. Now we are going to study the solubility of boric acid, and later we are going to study the identification test for boric acid. So let's perform the solubility test for boric acid. Now we are going to study the solubility test for boric acid. First, take a small amount of boric acid powder in a test tube, and then you are going to add water. We can say that boric acid is soluble in water. Now, next we will find the solubility test of boric acid in ethanol. Small amount of boric acid powder in a test tube and add ethanol to this test tube. Shake it well. We can see that the boric acid is soluble in ethanol. Now let's find the solubility of boric acid in a boiling water. Add a water and just allow it to heat. You can see that in a boiling water, boric acid is freely soluble as compared to the normal water. Here we can say that in the boiling water, boric acid is freely soluble. Now we'll start with the identification test for boric acid. The chemicals required are boric acid, methanol, glycerin, ethanol, and sulfuric acid. The procedure is: dissolve 0.1 gram of boric acid by gentle warming with 5 ml of methanol. In warming this solution, add few drops of sulfuric acid to the solution. Now we have to ignite this solution. We can see the green lining to the flame. Take 90 ml of boiling water in a beaker. Now add 3 gram of boric acid powder to this water. After dissolving the boric acid, keep the solution so that it gets cooled. After cooling the solution, dip a litmus paper into the solution so that we can find that the boric acid solution is faintly acidic to litmus. Here you can see that a blue litmus paper turns red, and as the blue litmus paper turns red, we can see that, or we can confirm that this solution is acidic in nature, and hence the test complies.